Hi guys, so today we're going to be playing 308. So we have to stay away from the employees. I thought I just saw an employee. Okay, let's go. Wait, we need a light so we could see. We need to find food. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's after me. It's after me. That's what I'm saying. You don't want to be with those guys. I just have to keep going in a circle because it's after me. Oh my god. Okay. Stop following me. Man, stop following me. Man, stop following me. Man, go away. You keep hitting me. I'm gonna die then. Stop hitting me. It's a big... I can't run because of you. Go away from me. I can't run. No. Don't dare. Don't you dare. Bruh. How dare you? Bruh. How dare you? How dare you? I have to die. And now I have health again. Okay, should we use this house? This place. Ooh. It's a good place. Yep, I'm definitely taking this place. So we got Pango. We have Pango, and I have another Pango, and I have Sharky. Wow. So this is my base now. I didn't make it. And we'll put that right there. We have lights. Oh my god, so how do you turn it on? Okay, we're gonna turn on these TVs too. That TV, because we need some light in here. Now we have to try getting out. Oh, it's morning now. So now we could do this. Do I fit? Oh, I did it. I fit. This looks like a good... This is a good restaurant. I need to look for Sharky so I can have extra Sharky. Oh, I actually want this place. This is a better place. So we have a roof. We're making a roof. The good thing is we have TV. Let's take this. Let's take the TV. Let's take the TV. And we'll place the TV right there. Oh, backwards. Now you can see the light. Yeah, we might want to have a chair right there so you can watch some TV. I made it upside down. So I'll put this green chair right here. So then you could like sit on it. And then you'll watch that, okay? Ooh, some food. You have that, and that. Do I need to cook it? Yeah, I'll bring this inside if I need to cook it. Okay, guys, we're gonna put this inside in case if I need to cook it. I don't know if I had to cook it, but I'm gonna use it so I can pretend that I'm cooking it. And we have more pizza.
For now, at least until I guess you guys don't need it.
Pizza. Pizza, yummy. I love pizza. I don't like it. Okay. Like if you like pizza. I know I got this place, but it looks cool. I love it. So we're gonna place. We're gonna get some food. So we got some food. So that's what I thought was. Okay, I'll put the food right there and some hot dog right there. Oh. Okay. What? Okay. So we need to fix the place. So we need this thing. You need to cover it with the bed. The bed will work because it's stable. Okay guys, I'm scared that's gonna turn night, so we need to hurry up and build this. We need to speed this up. We'll cover with a fridge, okay? Guys, would a fridge work? Why was
I love you girls. You
Love
having
you
fun
too.
now? Yeah, I'm glad you guys missed it all. It was not good.
Okay guys, we're gonna fix this roof. Okay guys, we need to hurry up and get some more beds before, since it's about to be night. I don't want it to be night. So see you in like 10 hours, it feels like. Hey, hurry up. Do not want it to turn 9 yet. I'll get this door. Okay, we'll cover that up. And that means we're done with that. So now we're gonna be woo, we were right in time, guys. It looks like. Because it just turned night. What is turn night when I was like,
Out of my way.
how did that
Why you keep
Oh,
following me
but
everywhere?
guys-
Just chill out.
uh-oh guys. So I think we got infected. Could you stop stepping on my face at least? Like, why? Ow, ow, stop. You're gonna kill me, man. Okay, I'll put that there. Oh, I got it out. Guys, we are not safe at all. Good thing that I jumped and then it got out, so. we are going to use this for the sacrifice. We're gonna use this. I got spotted. Okay, now I can't come back in, right? Is that right? Oh, shit, came back in. Let's be AFK with it. I'm about to die, guys. Gotta kill me. Oh, I died. Oh, this is my second death. So I guess I have to find the place again. It's that many blocks away? So I have to keep going straight, okay? I will keep going straight. Keep going straight. And keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. And keep going straight. Keep going straight. Hello, person. Ooh, there's a pizza. Pizza. I'll take that stuff. I'll take that. And I'll take that. And I'll take that. And I'll take that. And that. Okay, let's go. We are about to be there. We are coming back. We are just gonna keep going straight, I guess. There's cookies. I actually want some cookies first. Guys, should I bring the cookies with me? Oh! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's gonna come back and kill me! I knocked it over. We are getting there. Ooh. Okay guys, so I think I want to leave, and I'm going to leave these foods for people. So, bye guys!